Thanks for tuning back in. This is Ameya Dabolkar from Exploring Excel. You can email me at exploringofficeexcel@gmail.com. This is video number 41, NETWORKDAYS.INTL. Let's move on to our sheet. Okay. Now, you can download this workbook and follow along from the workbook name Workdays and networkdays.xlsx. From my Dropbox folder, the link is below the description. Okay, now watch my earlier videos too of Workdays, Workdays INTL, Network Days and Network Days now INTL. Now these all functions are interrelated, as they say. The network days function and network days INTL function has most of the similarities as does not have more differences. It is only difference about the weekend. Now let's start by our using syntax. Now first I will type equals to sign, then I will type this net work days. I will just select the same. The control text is returns the number of whole working days between the two dates with a custom weekend parameters. This is the very important thing, custom weekend parameters. Pressing the tab keys, I am just pressing Control Shift and A to display all the things inside this. This probably works in the macro. I have shown this trick under Excel VBA UDF series, video number 3, month name and weekday name UDF. Watch the video too. Now in this network day syntax, they have start date, end date, and I can select the weekend. Now this weekend parameter is an optional parameter. So it automatically sets the basic weekend as Saturday and Sunday. And this holidays is also an optional parameter. If you want weekends to be Saturday and Sunday, use the network days function. No need to write this weekend thing. But else, if you want something different like Friday, Saturday, Sunday and only Friday and so on, you can use this function. Now it returns the number of whole working days within a given period. This is some basics. It requires the start date and the end date, which makes a desired period. We consider these holidays to extract working days. We can determine our custom weekends. Now we can set our start date and end date. We have to just type the word start date and end date. Now I will just type equals to net workdays.intl and then I will just select the start date and then pressing comma, then select the end date. Now in the weekend there are 17 of the options you can use this. For example, the Saturday, Sunday is the basic number 1. Then coming down it is only Friday, only Saturday. I want the something like Sunday, Monday, or I will say only Friday. It's in some Arab countries it is Friday only. So I will just type the word 16 or select. I will just type the word 16. That will comes to that, or I will just go down and select this and press a tab key. It will automatically use a 16 as Friday. It is only one day. I don't have holidays determined, so I will press Control Enter. I get the answer 13. Means there are 2 Fridays between these two ranges. If I select this as 1, that is Saturday and Sunday, it are 11. Means there are 4 holidays between these ranges. Now coming to the example number 2, the same start date and the same end date, but I have holidays within the ranges. I will just type the word equals to networkdays.intl. I will just select the above arrow. Then I will select the end date. Now I have weekend is my basic. I will just keep it blank. Let's see what happens. It is optional parameter. It will set it basically as 1 Saturday and Sunday. But if we are using this function, I will just select something else like Friday and Saturday, because In the network days function, the weekend parameter is not there. Now, comma, I will just select my holidays. Now, these holidays are determined to handle the array of operations. Like this, you can array from across below. You can select multiple ranges. Now, press Control Enter. You are only 8 working days. 8 working days between these two ranges, considering the holidays and weekends. Now coming back to the example number 3. Example number 2 and example number 3 are mostly same, but what is the difference? I will just show you. I am writing the network days function .intl. My start date is this, my end date is this, and my weekend is 7, that is Friday, Saturday, and my F2 to edit, and then comma, and my holidays are this. You can just select anyhow, tab. I am getting 8. Now you can quickly observe there are 4 holidays here, there are 6 holidays here. So there should be less working days and the same ranges. But just observe, these are all the holidays and these non-colored holidays are the same. Now what is the difference? This first holiday is above our starting and ending date. The second one is also above and the third one is below our starting date. So these are omitted while calculating. Now, if you are preparing some big sort of application and you are told to write all the holidays you have, or these are basic bank holidays, you just note it down and you want to calculate the number of network days. You can calculate it easily as it omits this colored cell as it is away from the desired range are marked yellow. So hope you like this video, and this is almost at the end of the session of the workdays and network days video. Download the workbook from the Dropbox share folder. Feel free to subscribe and please put the comment below the description box, and have a great day.